Hey, it's Kim. Thanks for clicking on today's video. I wanted to quickly share what I got in for 2025 from the Travelers Company. I did a recent video all about my Sterling Ink haul of 2025 planners, so I figured it's only fair to show all of the planners as I get them and they come in for 2025. Though I'm not fully going over all the ways I'll be using them, of course that'll be upcoming in future videos, but I just wanted to quickly share the hauls with you. So this is my entire order from Travelers Company. I was on the fence about whether or not I would order from them, only because in recent years, the things that I actually use in terms of the planners and the inserts has lessened or has decreased over the years. I've switched out to other things, or maybe I don't use, Travelers inserts the way that I used them before. With all that said, I did still put an order in. And disclaimer, excuse the mess on my desk. We're just here. I just turned on the camera and we're here. So the first thing I got is one of these Travelers Times special issue number 18, I think. This might be the third one that I have. So obviously I didn't need another one, but it was nice that they included it. Speaking of including, when they did the pre-order, if you ordered a certain amount, and I believe the pre-order was October 1st, and I received this on October 21st. So if you did the pre-order and you spent a certain amount, you got this tag, this leather tag for the 2024-25 theme, which is Love and a Trip. So that was cool. I didn't realize that the foiling on it is rose gold. I don't know if and how I'll use that, but that was a nice addition to my order. So speaking of 2025, there are mostly 2025 specific items that I received. First up is the Traveler's Notebook weekly inserts, and I get these in the horizontal weekly format. These are used inside of my faith journal / planner setup that I have. I'll actually pull it out. I do have a video on my channel all about how I set this up and what's inside of it and what I use all the inserts for. So I'll be sure to link that video down below. But this is what I use, and I house all of these inserts inside of here. So that's the same thing I'm going to be doing for 2025. So that was the reason why I ordered these from Travelers Company when pre-orders started. So it is, if you're unfamiliar, you get two inserts and they are split amongst the year. So first half of the year, or 26 weeks in one book, 26 weeks in the other book. And it is just your typical horizontal weekly layout with a box on the left side for each of the days and then the full right side for notes. And both books look the same. You do get like trackers in the front, like a vertical tracker or vertical calendar, which I don't actually use. And aside from all the weeklies, I think that's all you get. Yep, that's pretty much all you get. And each inserts. One of these inserts, I believe, has like 1 or 2 extra notes pages. I clearly don't use it. But also in the pack, you do get your 2025 Traveler's Notebook Guide. And it's just really cute. It goes along with the whole theme for the year, Love and a Trip, or Love and Trip. And you get the insert that explains all about the theme for the year, along with a couple of stickers. So these are 2 stickers, very large stickers. But I do feel like these come in handy, especially when I want to archive anything. I can just use this large 2025 sticker. We'll archive any of these Traveler's Notebook books. Use this large sticker to indicate which year I'm using it for. So I always love to get these, if not for anything else, honestly, for the stickers. So those are the 2 that come in the weekly set. And I'm pretty sure you get this also in the vertical weekly set. You get these stickers as well, and this guide. And I'll just read through it really quickly. It says, Love and Trip. Every traveler's notebook is filled with love. I enjoy seeing other people's travelers' notebooks. Often they will shyly but proudly show me their notebook saying, "This one is like an alter ego of mine." The texture of the leather cover, the charms on the elastic, the thickness, the cover of the refills, and the way of using the notebook are all different from person to person, even though they are the same notebook. However, what many travelers' notebooks have in common is that they are filled with the user's favorite things and happy memories. A lot of love has been poured into them. So just by looking at the notebooks, I feel as if I can understand a little bit about the personality of the owner. Albert Einstein said, "Nothing truly valuable arises from ambition or from a mere sense of duty. It stems rather from love and devotion towards men and towards objective things." Travelers' notebooks, which are filled with the deep love of the user and always used with care, shine like treasures. By showing such notebooks to each other, people who have met each other for the first time on a trip can talk and understand each other, transcending gender, age, and nationality. It may seem like a dream, but I fantasize that if more people traveled, talked about their favorite things with the people they met, and created warm and intimate connections with love all over the world, then the world would be a more enjoyable and peaceful place than it is today. We hope you have a nice trip with your traveler's notebook filled with your love. So that's cute. And then on the back, they show you all of the inserts that are offered by Travelers Company. I feel like this isn't new news to a lot of people, but if it is, there you go. So those are the horizontal weeklies that I will be using inside of my faith journal for the year. And I will put all of this back inside the plastic bags once this video is over. And I also did get the monthly insert for 2025. Now the thing with this is one that I didn't necessarily need. I do have it inside of my faith planner, but I don't use it consistently or regularly. And it has the same stickers, those two large stickers, and the same insert, and the dated monthly calendars for 2025. And this goes from December 2024 through January 2026. And then a few blank pages at the back, as well as some metric measurements, a little ruler, a travel kind of diary thing with a map. So that's all in the monthly insert. So I don't use this consistently. I do use it if I have, for instance, like a reading plan or a study plan that I'm following. So that's when I will use it, but I do find that it's not absolutely necessary. I think I could probably get away with just writing that out on a blank piece of paper if I wanted to. But for instance, this is what I'm following for this month. I'm reading the Gospels in 30 days, or more like, I don't know, less than 30 days. But I plotted out the chapters that I would read on which days. So that's what I've been using the monthlies for, and not even all of the monthlies are filled out. Like a couple of these are quite blank. So I don't use it every single month, only if I have a specific plan that I'm following or something that I need to write down all of the things to read so that I can remember. So I was on the fence a little bit about whether I actually needed this. Still can't say that I definitely need it, but I have it now. So that's the monthly insert. And now these. So these are the plastic or the clear folders and the writing boards. I believe they call them plastic sheets on the site. I'm not sure. I can't remember offhand, but I did get the set for Passport as well as for Standard Traveler's Notebook. I will be honest, I did not need these. I will be even more honest. I do not really use them, but I do like to collect them because I always think that they're really cute, and I like to just add them to my collection of the ones that I have for all of the years. So this is the Passport, and very similar to the regular size or the Standard Traveler's Notebook size, but obviously a different color, and like the graphics are different as well, but both go with the love and trip theme. So this one is super cute, and that is gold foiling on it, and it has some really nice graphics. This one's cute. It says, "You are the sunshine of my life. Baby, I love you. Stand by me." So obviously, are these music lyrics? I don't know. Then this one is the standard one. And I think all of those are really cute. So I'll show you the clear folders, both for the Passport size as well as the standard size. So this one is Passport size, Love and a Trip. Love and Trip. I keep putting that in there. Love and Trip. If I was on Wheel of Fortune, I would not get the puzzle correct because I keep putting the in there. Just a little insight into how my brain works. Okay, love and trip. Have a nice trip with love. So that's really cute. And it's like some hand-drawn doodles that are added on there inside of a little traveler's notebook. And these are just the folders that you can put inside the back of your traveler's notebook. I've seen where people do string. I've never tried this, but people do string the elastics through here so that it sits on the string so that it can't actually come out. So that could always be an option, but you would just tuck any of your little papers into here so that they don't fall out of your traveler's notebook. So that's the one for passport, and then the one for standard size. Same theme, love and trip. Have a nice trip with love, and then some hand-drawn doodles about traveling and traveler's notebook. So that one's really cute. I do use these probably more than the writing boards. Again, I feel like they don't call them writing boards on the website, but I don't like writing on a writing board. So that's the only reason why I don't use them. But I do find that they come in handy if I need a straight edge, if I'm just like drawing out some lines in my planner, or I have used them to measure things, but I just don't use them regularly. Though I do tend to keep one of these in usually like all of my covers. And speaking of, I don't have one in this one, so maybe this year's will go inside of here. And also, it seems like year over year, I'm always disappointed in the colors. For instance, I would prefer these colors that they use for passport to have been used in the standard size and vice versa. I guess because I use the standard size more. So I feel like I'm more drawn to this color combo than I am to this one. But either way, I'll tuck them into my covers and enjoy them. Enjoy adding them to my collection. So those are all of the 2025 specific items that I got from that release. And then I did add on, oh no, it's not. Okay, I forgot about this one. So I got the custom sticker set for 2025. And I definitely always get one of these for collection reasons, but I do use the stickers as well. And I did refrain from purchasing two because I know myself and I know that I typically don't use, I don't use stickers. I just hoard them and save them. But these are so cute and they need to be used. Like I will use the ones that are dated for 2025, and it looks like there's 1, 2, 3. They don't always date all of them. 4. So out of all of these stickers, wait, am I wrong? 1, 2, 3, 4. No, I was right. Okay, so 4 out of 11 do have 2025 written on them. So those I will definitely try to use during 2025 somewhere, somehow. And then it also comes with these tabs. And the top set is usually for standard size traveler's notebook. And then the bottom set is typically for passport size. They're a little bit smaller. I did for 2024 actually use the tabs in last year's set for my health and fitness journal. So I used them to know each of the months. I just use the side that has the numbers, not the side that lists the month name. So I did like that, and that size works really well. This is the passport size again, and it works really well for putting January to December along the side. I do want to do the same thing for my 2025 health and fitness planner. However, this green is, this blue is probably not gonna go too well with whatever colors I used to set that up. So I will look through my other sets of these from past years and see if I have maybe a better color that I like to use. And if not, maybe I'll use the blue, or maybe I'll just use something else entirely. So this does come in the set. Very useful. So it has the tabs for the months. Also has tabs that say travel, memo, list, important, and information for both the standard size and the passport size. And then you also get these stickers These are just some icon stickers, travel related, like there's airplanes and suitcases, bikes, cars, train. Also ones that you could use for, like this one looks like maybe a haircut, one for dinner. Not sure what this one is. If you know, please tell me. Oh, it has currency on here. Like it has a dollar sign, a sign for euro, a sign for yen. What does this indicate? The bank? Maybe I'm going to the bank. I don't know. Some arrows, a little gift, traveler's notebook, a book. So cute little icon stickers that could come in handy. And then also you do get these adhesive pockets. So these, there are 3 different ones along with that theme, and you would just peel it off of here, stick it onto wherever you need a pocket, and then open up at the top so that you can stick whatever you need to in there. Always come in handy. And these transfer letters / numbers. This is probably my most used item from the customized sticker set that I get from Traveler's Company. These definitely come in handy. So these are just those rub-on transfers of letters and numbers of varying sizes. Very generic, but very useful nonetheless. And that's all. So that's everything that comes inside of the kit. And then the back just shows you all of the things that are contained. Oh wait, I'm missing something. These dot stickers, where are those? They were stuck to the back of here. Okay, these dot stickers also do come in handy. They're transparent dots in pink, yellow, blue, green, and orange. So those are all of the things that come in that customized sticker set for 2025. Very happy with those, and I will definitely put them to use. So that concludes all the things that I got that are 2025 specific. Other than that, I did stock up on sticker release insert. So I have a standard size one here as well as a passport size. I do know that I have a couple of these already filled up, and I wanted more. Obviously, I ordered more, but it contains sticker release paper that I would just put stickers on, transfer the stickers here, and then use them at a later date. Because I did think that I'd like to keep specific stickers inside each of the planners that I use in traveler size. So for instance, for my daily planner, I use like the date stickers from Sterling Ink, but I thought, would I like to put an insert into here and then just transfer all of the date stickers onto there? Maybe. I don't know. We'll see. Instead of just tucking them into the back pocket. I don't know. I could do it. Maybe I would do it. We will see. But I wanted to have a few extras of the sticker release inserts on hand so that I could choose to do that when I needed to. So those are all the things that I got from the Traveler's Company 2025 releases. And I'm very pleased with everything I got, especially the stickers. I'm going to use them this year. I'm going to stick these folders and pencil boards into all of my planners throughout the year, so I'm definitely happy to have them all in my collection. I will link the Traveler's Company website down below, and if you have any questions, definitely feel free to leave them down below in the comments as well. Thank you so much for following along on today's video, and I'll see you in the next one.